how to fix Google Play Store stuck on pending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store stuck on pending on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type here Google Play and click Google Play Services. Now click storage, clear cache, and then force stop, and go to this one here, right system settings, make sure it's enabled, and then go to Google Play, force stop it, and then go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now open Google Play Store and try to download again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.